there's really the day to day at this point is everything from making sure that a customer gets a timely schedule for an installation to an accurate shipment. And then, of course, working with our suppliers and our supply chain to make sure that we have product that's ready to go. As distribution, it's very interesting the way our process works is we have a lot of stock product. However, the product is not Home Depot stock ready to go off the shelf. It's really requires a lot of it needs to be touched through a production department where it can be wired specific to a machine tool that it's being integrated on, adjusted to the center height, machine components that adapt the machines together. So there's a lot of moving parts in our company. We're still a small company, we're just under 100 employees. But at the end of the day, we hang our hat on sales and service. And so a happy customer is a repeat customer. And that's really, in today's world, the most important part of us is to be able to have regional people in those hotbeds so that we can react rather quickly to any needs a customer may have.
Yeah, absolutely. I think in our line of work, like if you don't have repeat customers, you don't have a business.
That's a fact. And every customer for us, whether it's one machine or 100 machines, gets treated equally. So,
Absolutely. So yeah, where did your fascination for automation and manufacturing come from?
man, it's really it's a great question. It genetically goes way back to really my single digit era in life, being born and raised in central Illinois on a farm and being heavily around a lot of equipment and machinery. And so, if anybody has any relatives or family that's ever been involved in farming, you really have to be self-sufficient in that environment. So you're forced to learn a lot about things because equipment never really breaks where there's a lot of resources. And so farmers are extremely resourceful, and being around that, I think naturally I drove through my childhood right into a mechanical engineering degree in Southern Illinois in Carbondale, and then had a huge passion. What I was always really thought I was going to do was design water fountains for company like MGM Grand or the Wynn Hotel or whatever. I was hugely fascinated with laminar and turbulent flow of a fluid. So